Hello and welcome to training on how to add an open house through the Open House dashboard in IQ Office. To begin, log into IQ Office. If you don't know how to do that, contact your office administrator and they can help you get access to the system. Once you are on your main dashboard, you'll click on the listings icon on the left-hand side of the screen and then go to Open Houses. This opens the Open House dashboard. You can see all scheduled open houses for the company on this screen. To add an open house, click on the plus Open House button in the upper right hand corner. This will open the wizard. You can search for the property by clicking in the search bar and typing the MLS or address name. You also can scroll through all available properties. To select a property, click the checkbox next to the property you wish to schedule. Select the agent who is hosting the open house, the date, start and end time. If you would like to add additional days to the open house, you can do so by clicking the green Add Dates button. Once you have added all open houses, click the Finish button to add the open house. This has been training on how to add an open house through the Open House dashboard. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.